Imagine sending humans to Mars, only to have their bodies age prematurely during the journey. This chilling scenario is closer to reality than you might think. New research from UC San Diego reveals that spaceflight accelerates the aging of vital blood-forming stem cells, raising serious concerns for long-duration space missions. In a groundbreaking study published in Cell Stem Cell, researchers from the Sanford Stem Cell Institute tracked human hematopoietic stem and progenitor cells, HSPCs, aboard the International Space Station, ISS, using cutting-edge AI-powered nanobioreactors. These tiny labs in space allowed scientists to observe in real time how microgravity and cosmic radiation wreak havoc on these cells, which are essential for a healthy blood and immune system. The results are alarming. After just 32 to 45 days in space, the HSPCs exhibited classic signs of aging. Reduced ability to generate healthy new cells, increased DNA damage, and shortened telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes. Space is the ultimate stress test for the human body, explains Dr. Katrina Jameson, lead researcher and director of the Sanford Stem Cell Institute. These findings show that space travel accelerates the molecular aging of blood stem cells, with potentially dire consequences for astronaut health. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. When these space-aged cells were returned to a youthful environment, some of the damage began to reverse. This glimmer of hope suggests that interventions might exist to counteract the aging effects of space travel. This study builds upon previous NASA research, including the landmark twin study, which hinted at accelerated aging in astronauts. However, the UC San Diego team delves deeper, providing a detailed molecular roadmap of how space triggers cellular aging. They discovered that space-exposed HSPCs become hyperactive, burning through their reserves and losing their ability to regenerate. Additionally, these cells showed signs of mitochondrial stress and inflammation, further compromising their function. And this is the part most people miss. The implications extend far beyond space exploration. Understanding how space accelerates aging could lead to breakthroughs in combating age-related diseases like cancer right here on Earth. The study also highlights the need for new strategies to protect astronauts during extended missions, potentially involving pharmaceutical or genetic interventions. Space research pushes the boundaries of science, says Twyman Clements, co-founder of Space Tango, a key collaborator in the study. The technologies developed for this research will have a lasting impact on both space exploration and terrestrial medicine. While the findings are concerning, they also open up exciting possibilities. The research team plans to continue their work with additional ISS missions, focusing on real-time monitoring of cellular changes and developing countermeasures. But the question remains, can we truly overcome the aging effects of space travel? Or are there limits to human exploration? This research sparks a crucial debate about the ethical and biological boundaries of pushing humanity further into the cosmos. What do you think? Is the risk of accelerated aging worth the rewards of space exploration? Let us know in the comments below.